sort of an edge where it becomes a little bit mirrored. Now, this is one disadvantage of handling this glass, is I had to cut that section off to remove here, so I ended up in the mirrored section in order to cut the glass. So first up, I had to cut two pieces like this off a large piece of glass, which is rather imposing when the glass is actually 4.5mm thick. So it's a little bit more chunky than your normal picture frame glass, and it does take a little bit more grunt to cut it. So first up, if you get hold of this stuff, just bear in mind you need to check the sizes that it is available in, and bear in mind you may need to trim about 1 inch off. This is one of these SDI anti-static rollers. They're pretty expensive, but they work incredibly well at taking any dust off anything. Certainly you can use it on all the glass, all the acrylics, and if you do a lot of mounting of high gloss images, I strongly recommend you have one of these tools at your disposal, because when you're mounting some of the glossy images, say onto aluminium, or doing face mounting and stuff like that, you cannot have any dust or anything on the board between the adhesive and your mounting plate, and these rollers get it all off. And also what happens is it takes all, but if you're pedantic about things, you may want to measure the positions, but I'm just going along and eyeball the positions. And then we're going to get into our electric screwdriver. And I noticed actually we had a couple of questions earlier on in the piece when we in the little survey form when you register for this, and some of the bit of fun, because I know someone out there is a blues supporter. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn that off, and you'll see once that goes. Let me just have power. It's trying to set up its.
Okay, time is up.
Sorry. We'll just take the power off there.